Stop the presses. Samsung has new color options for its flagship Galaxy S9 and S9 Plus that were just unveiled. We bet many of you were waiting for the coral blue version, so you will be pleased to know Samsung will oblige. Both flagships are available in midnight black, lilac purple, titanium gray, and coral blue. But the gray model is darker than before, almost gunmetal, while the purple one is not pinkish purple at all, but a rather subdued and pleasant color. Take a peek at all the official Galaxy S9 and S9 Plus images below, and tell us which color is your current favorite. Hey, don't say the black one all at once.